At the Mississippi Children's Museum, we take fun seriously. Discover hands-on learning across 100,000 square feet of exhibits spanning across our 2 locations in Jackson and Meridian, and explore 5 core areas: literacy, STEAM, health, cultural arts, and Mississippi heritage. In Jackson, adventure takes many forms. Captain a giant shrimp boat, craft your own invention in our WonderBox makerspace, and practice healthy living in Kareem's house. In Meridian, imagination soars through storybook worlds, East Mississippi history, and hands-on exploration, from climbing inside a giant brain to flying high in wings of wonder. Here, curiosity becomes confidence and play becomes possibility. Plan your visit to the Mississippi Children's Museum today.